this crazy world. You're everything I try to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. The world will turn and the seasons will change. Then all the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange. We'll have our fill of tears, our share of sight. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. Passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful